This is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you cannot use the content on your PlayStation 4. So most of the time, this is just related to the licenses you have on your account. So go up to settings right here, and then go to account management, and then go down to restore licenses. So if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. So just restore them right here. And depending on how many games you have, it might take a long time or it might just take like 1 second, like mine did. So this should fix your issue just by going to restore licenses. Now also go to activate as your primary PS4. This will share PlayStation Plus and all your games to every other account on your PlayStation 4. So when you switch to a secondary account now, they will also have PlayStation Plus. So make sure you do this on the account you have PlayStation Plus and you bought all the games from too. So I just did this on both of my accounts and it works. Now another thing that could be happening is simply PlayStation is down. So if you did not set it to activate as primary in time, when PlayStation goes down, well, you're not going to be able to play your PlayStation games offline. So let's just go to network right here and then go to view status of PlayStation Network and just see if everything is up and running. And when the PlayStation Network comes back online, make sure you set your PlayStation 4 as primary. So if something happens in the future, you can still play your games, at least offline. So everything is up and running right here, and I should be good to go. Now, you always have the chance to just delete the game and then re-download it. So if I delete Battlefield here, I can find this under my library, under the purchase game sections. And since I have it installed with a disc, it's not showing up under there. But if I downloaded it through the store, it'll show up under this area. And just re-download it and try that as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.